Today we are continuing the same chapter, chapter number 5, more on PowerPoint 2010. And our today's topic is inserting a table. Means how we can insert a table in our presentation. So there are many ways to do it. So let's start it.
In this video, I will teach you how to insert table in presentation. Firstly, you can see here in my presentation, one slide is here. By default, when we open PowerPoint, then we can see in our presentation, one slide will be here. If we want to insert a new slide, if we want to insert a new slide, we can click on new slide that we can see in home tab in this slides group. We can see here there is one option that is new slide. So we will just click on new slide, and there are, you can see there are many of these themes like title slide, title and content. So according to our requirement, we can take any. So if we want to insert more slides, so same we can go to the new slide and then we can choose it. Otherwise we can use the shortcut key also, and the shortcut key for the new slide is Control plus M. Control plus M for the new slide in our presentation, and Control plus N for the new presentation. M is used for the new slide in our presentation, and Control plus N is used for the new presentation. Same you can do by right clicking also. Just right click on the slide and then go to new slide. So you can see here now in our presentation 4 slides are here. So now how we can insert a table. There are many methods to insert a table. The first one is go to insert. Go to insert tab. When we will click on the insert tab, then you can see here different groups are here. So we will go to the first one group, that is our table group. That is table group. And when you will click on the table, you can see here there are different rows and columns. You can see here the first one, that is 1 into 1 means 1 row and 1 column. When we will move from left to right, you can see here this one first value is for the column and the second value for the row. 2 into 1 means 2 column and 1 row. When we will move to right, you can see column values are increasing. And when we will move top to down, then you can see here rows are increasing. Rows are from top to down and columns are from left to right. It depends upon our requirement how much rows and how much columns we want to make. So just click on it and then you can see here one table is created. One method is that one, and the second method is again you can go to the insert tab, go to the table and then insert table. Then there is one option insert table. After that one dialog box will appear insert table. Here we have to write number of columns. How much columns we want to insert in our table. For example, I want 7 columns. And how much rows I want to insert? I want to insert 5 rows. Then click on OK. Next method is again go to insert tab and then click on table and then click on draw table. When we will click on draw table, we can draw the boundary of our table. You can see here I have drawn the boundary of the table, and after drawing the boundary, you can see here now table tools are here, and again we have to click on the draw table, and then again we will make the boundary for row or column. Again we will click on the draw table, and then again wherever we want to start the row or column, whatever. Just click on the draw table and then again give the boundary. So this one is the next method how to draw the table. And the next one is click on insert. You can see here the last one is Excel spreadsheet. It means if you want to insert the data like the Excel spreadsheet, so just click on it. You can see here a small spreadsheet is here. Just you can increase it. So whatever you will fill here in this Excel worksheet, so clicking on it, you will see one table is generated here. Whatever I have written in that Excel spreadsheet, that is displaying here. So the first one was, from here you just choose it, how many rows, how many columns you want to. The first value indicates the number of columns and the second value indicates number of rows. And the second method was insert table. Just tell the number, how much columns you want, and then how much rows you want. And the third one, draw table, if you want to draw yourself. If you want to take like a Excel spreadsheet, you can choose the Excel spreadsheet. Here. And one more, I'm just inserting a one new slide. You can see here, here also insert table is displaying here. Directly you can click on it. The same option will come as we have done when we have gone to the table. So here you will provide number of columns and number of rows, and then just press on the OK. So you can just click on it, or you can go to the insert and then table and then insert. So same like that. So these are the different ways to insert a table. So today we have discussed only how to insert table in presentation.